Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to schedule posts on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Once opened, click on the plus icon. Now go ahead and select post. Click on continue. Click on allow full access. Now go ahead and select the post you want to post on Instagram. Click on next. Click on next again. Then scroll down. Click on more options. Now you should say schedule this post. Turn this on. Now go ahead and set your date. After that, click on done. Now go back. Now go ahead and click on share. Then it should say scheduling. Now this is going to help you to schedule the post on your Instagram. And that is it. So that is basically how to schedule posts on Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.